Today, let's talk about what kinds of rifles and pistols were used in the Olympic Games. Recently, the 2024 Olympic Games have been held in Paris, so myself also involuntarily moves to the Olympic Games. The first Games was held in Greece in 1896. Shooting as a traditional skill for our human being also was included in the first games, but in more than 100 years, the shooting event and the corresponding sporting guns also didn't stop changing. As a classical weapon fan, I noticed a surprising point, and this is the muzzle-loading pistol added into the first games as one of the shooting event, which is the 25-meter muzzle-loading pistol event. But unfortunately, this was the only muzzle-loading gun shooting event, and the only one time the Olympic Games had the muzzle-loader shooting event. After that, until now, the muzzle-loading gun shooting event did not come back again. Nowadays, such as this year, only 7 shooting events are held in the Olympic Games of Paris, and there are 3 kinds of guns, rifles, pistols, and shotguns that are used in the 7 events. Based on the 3 kinds of different guns, we can get the 3 shooting events categories. In the rifle field, there are 5-meter rifle 3 positions, and 10-meter air rifle. In pistols, there are 25-meter pistol, 25-meter rapid-fire pistol, and a 10-meter air pistol. By the way, both 25-meter pistol events are a little bit special because the 25-meter pistol is only for women especially, and the 25-meter rapid-fire pistol event is only for men especially. In shotguns, there is trap shooting and skeet shooting. Among the 7 shooting events, most of them were added into Olympic Games in the 1950s, 1960s, and the 1980s. The oldest shooting event should be the 25-meter rapid-fire pistol event, which was held since 1896, also known as the year of the first modern Olympic Games. And also, another shooting event that now still exists and is over 100 years old is the trap shooting, which was the first held in 1900, also known as the second modern Olympic Games. However, the trap shooting is a very Olympic event, but the corresponding women's trap shooting was added in 2000. Actually, this was not a gender-based factor, it's because the trap was open to both men and women from the first year to 1992, also known as the second Olympic year to the 25th year. In 1996, the 26th Olympic year, there was no women's trap event, and since 2000, the 27th Olympic year, women and men have had separate events in the Olympics. If we watch the 3 kinds of guns carefully, we will find that the shotgun in the Olympic Games typically it's just a common over and under double-barreled shotgun with break action, but the rifles and pistols are more different because there are air-powered guns and gunpowder guns. First of all, the air gun. There are air rifles and air pistols. In air rifles, thanks to the continuous development of precision match air rifles, nowadays all of them have used the pre-charged pneumatic designs, known as the PCP airgun, because more and more advanced mechanical and electronic red triggers make modern PCP rifles are particularly recoilless and vibration-free, plus other small practical modern mechanical devices that equipped on the rifles make shooters be able to demonstrate their abilities better and better and get more excellent results in the competitions, because the rules mandate the use of non-magnifying diopter and globe sights. Typically, the traditional pip sights are always used in the games, and this kind of sight also often is used in the muzzle-loader long-range shooting competitions. On the air pistol side, the mechanical is basically similar to the air rifle. For the 10-meter air rifle and air pistol disciplines, match-grade Diablo pellets are used. These pellets are wad cutter, meaning the pellet height is nearly completely flat, which leaves smooth-edged rounds holes in paper targets and allows the easy gauging for scoring. Typically, they use 4.5mm caliber match pellets, But in order to know which particular match playlist type performs the best for their particular air gun, the playlists of shooters usually are from 4.48mm up to 4.52mm. Then, the gunpowder gun. In brief, the match pistols and the match long rifles are kind of .22 caliber sport gun. Compared with the common pistols and rifles, the Olympic pistols and Olympic rifles have better ergonomics, especially the handle is more fit for the shooter's hand. For every event feature, the manufacturers designed new pistols and new long rifles, such as Walther, SSP, Anschutz, match models, etc. The pistols are always the semi-auto pistols, and on the rifle side, it always is a bolt-action rifle. Okay, this is today's video. At the end of the video, the Olympic serving location of this year is a little bit special because it is located in the famous serving spot of Tiahupo, Tahiti, which is 16,000 kilometers away from Paris. Thank you for watching. Hope you can like this video. Have a good day. See you next time. Bye.